Noni is one of nature's most powerful superfruits. In this video, I will present the science behind noni and why Atomy Noni concentrate stands out. Noni is a tropical fruit used for over 2,000 years to support health and wellness. A fruit so highly valued that Polynesian healers called it the queen of medicinal plants. Modern scientific research is now confirming many of the traditional uses of this remarkable fruit, including its powerful antioxidant activity, immune-supporting properties, and potential benefits for inflammation, cardiovascular health, healthy aging, and overall wellness. Today, we'll explore what noni is, the science behind its health benefits, who may benefit from it, and why Atomy Noni is one of the best values available today. If you're interested in evidence-based natural health tips, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm Dr. Antoinette Lloyd, board certified in both family medicine and cosmetic medicine, and I provide health tips on wellness and beauty. What is noni? Noni is scientifically known as Morinda citrifolia, a small evergreen tree native to Southeast Asia and the Pacific Islands. It grows throughout Tahiti, Hawaii, Fiji, Samoa, Indonesia, and South Korea. For centuries, traditional healers have used nearly every part of the noni plant, its fruit, leaves, roots, bark, and seeds. The fruit has a very distinctive smell and taste, earning it nicknames such as cheese fruit because of its pungent aroma. Although the smell isn't appealing to everyone, the nutritional compounds inside are what make noni so remarkable. What's inside noni? Noni contains hundreds of naturally occurring plant compounds, including polyphenols, flavonoids, iridoids, scopoletin, damnacanthal, vitamin C, potassium, and essential amino acids. These compounds work together to provide antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Scientists believe many of the health benefits of noni come from these naturally occurring phytochemicals working together rather than from one single ingredient. Health benefit number 1, powerful antioxidant protection. One of the biggest threats to healthy aging is oxidative stress. Every day, our bodies produce unstable molecules called free radicals. These can damage cells, proteins, and DNA. Noni is rich in antioxidants that help neutralize these free radicals. Several studies have shown that drinking noni juice can increase antioxidant activity while reducing markers of oxidative stress. Reducing oxidative stress may help support healthy aging and overall wellness. Health benefit number 2 supports a healthy immune system. Traditional cultures have long used noni during periods of illness. Modern research suggests that noni may help support normal immune function by influencing immune cell activity and helping regulate inflammatory responses. Rather than overstimulating the immune system, it appears to help support balanced immune function. A healthy immune system is one of the foundations of long-term health. Health benefit number 3 helps fight inflammation. Inflammation is involved in many chronic diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Laboratory and animal studies suggest compounds in noni may help reduce inflammatory signaling. While more high-quality human studies are needed, these findings are encouraging and are consistent with centuries of traditional use. Health benefit number 4 supports heart health. Research suggests noni may support cardiovascular health in several ways. Some studies have reported improvements in cholesterol levels, LDL oxidation, blood vessel function, and overall antioxidant status. Keeping blood vessels healthy is essential for maintaining healthy circulation. Of course, noni should be viewed as part of a healthy lifestyle, not a replacement for medical treatment prescribed by your physician. Health benefit number 5. Noni gives an energy boost. Many people who regularly consume noni report feeling more energetic. One possible explanation is that reducing oxidative stress allows cells to produce energy more efficiently. Although research is still developing, several studies involving athletes found improvements in endurance and reduced exercise-induced oxidative damage. Health benefit number 6, healthy skin. Healthy skin begins from within. Because noni contains antioxidants and vitamin C, it may help support collagen production and protect skin cells from oxidative damage. Health benefit number 7, digestive wellness. Traditional cultures frequently use noni to support digestive health. Some research suggests noni may help decrease inflammation in the digestive tract while supporting normal gastrointestinal function. Health benefit number 8, healthy aging. So many researchers now believe chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are two major drivers of aging. Since noni helps address both of these processes, it has become increasingly popular as part of healthy aging programs. Noni is worth considering if you want nutritional support for healthy aging, immune wellness, antioxidant protection, heart health, general wellness, active lifestyles, and everyday energy. Always consult your healthcare provider if you have significant medical conditions, are pregnant, or take prescription medications. Why Atomy Noni? There are dozens of noni products available, so why choose Atomy? Here are several reasons. Quality standards. One of the biggest advantages of Atomy is its commitment to quality. South Korea has some of the world's highest manufacturing standards for health supplements. Atomy's noni concentrate is organic and manufactured under strict quality control systems designed to ensure purity, consistency, and safety. Carefully selected ingredients. Atomy emphasizes sourcing quality ingredients and manufacturing practices intended to preserve the fruit's naturally occurring beneficial compounds. Excellent value. Many premium noni juices cost 2 to 4 times more than Atomy Noni concentrate. One of Atomy core business philosophies is absolute quality at an absolute price. Their goal is to provide premium products without premium markups. Atomy is a trusted global company serving customers in over 50 countries. Its commitment to quality and affordability has helped it become one of the largest and fastest growing direct sales companies in the world. Noni has been valued for centuries. Today, modern science is beginning to validate many of its traditional uses. Although more large human clinical trials are still needed, the available evidence suggests noni is a rich source of antioxidants and beneficial plant compounds that may support healthy aging, immune health, cardiovascular wellness, and overall vitality. If you're looking for a high-quality noni supplement produced under rigorous manufacturing standards and offered at an excellent value, I highly recommend Atomy Organic Fermented Noni Concentrate. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more evidence-based videos on nutrition, healthy aging, and wellness. If you'd like to learn more about Atomy products or you'd like to become a free Atomy member, speak with the person who sent you this video or join by my link in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.